Unlocking trust. The power of placing your faith in others. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that's close to the heart. Place your faith in. Understanding this phrase not only helps us improve our English but also teaches us about the depth of human relationships and trust. So, let's explore together what it means to place your faith in someone or something, and why it's such a significant expression in the English language. Place your faith in is a phrase that combines three key words: place, faith, and in. To place something means to put it somewhere. Faith refers to complete trust or confidence in someone or something. And in is a preposition that indicates inclusion within something else. When we say we place our faith in someone, we're essentially saying we are putting our trust or confidence into that person. This can apply to people, institutions, ideals, or even higher spiritual entities. Placing your faith in someone is a powerful act of trust. It means you believe in that person's abilities, values, or promises. This phrase often comes into play in personal relationships, friendships, professional settings, and spiritual contexts. For example, when a friend tells you a secret, and they place their faith in you to not share it with others, they are entrusting you with a part of themselves. It signifies a bond of trustworthiness and confidence that is essential for strong, healthy relationships. To help you understand how to use this phrase in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. I place my faith in my team to complete the project on time. She placed her faith in the new treatment to improve her health. Many people place their faith in a higher power to find peace and guidance. These sentences show how versatile the phrase is, applicable in various contexts, emphasizing the act of trusting and believing in something or someone beyond oneself. Understanding and using the phrase, place your faith in, enriches our communication by allowing us to express deep trust and confidence in others. Whether it's in personal relationships, professional environments, or spiritual journeys, knowing how to articulate our trust is key to building strong connections. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and significance of this beautiful expression. Remember, placing your faith in someone is a gift of trust. Use it wisely and cherish it deeply. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.